possible together.
Now is a great time to buy a Honda Civic. With power, a 40-mile-per-gallon highway rating, and incredible passenger volume. Discover all the reasons to buy the best-selling compact car in America. The Honda Civic. Test drive it at your local Honda dealer today.
All right, Doug's back with just a little popcorn in his teeth now, not his throat. He's cleared that up.
Nothing
right?
floss can't help with.
Some great weather here, guys. I'll tell you.
It is just a smidgen, a little warm and humid, just a smidgen.
Well, and it's going to stay that way.
Complaining.
I know, and I've got, we get them all the time on my Facebook pages.
Because no one complains.
You want warmer, you want cooler, you want, just right. Well, I'll tell you, it is going to be a little bit on the warm side. Average high temperatures this time of year, much cooler than it is outside right now, and high temperatures currently sitting in the 80s. Look at that shot, a beautiful day. 85 degrees, winds out of the north at 5 miles an hour, plenty of sunshine. I mean, it is simply gorgeous out there. Notice these numbers, 82 in Leesburg, 84 down around Fredericksburg, Annapolis coming in at 83 degrees, and Patuxent River at 84. This is the kind of weather we're going to see over the next week or so. So some really nice weather setting up across our region, but yeah, it's going to be on the hot side. Now, we have to talk about Maria. Where is this storm? Well, it's just to the north of the Dominican Republic here. They're seeing some very heavy rain. It is starting to move a little to the north, but still going to come in contact with the Turks and Caicos. They're already seeing tropical storm force winds of about 39 to 40 to 50 miles per hour right now. That storm system is going to make its way up to the north, and as it does, it will begin to weaken a little bit. It may still strengthen over the next, say, 12 hours or so, but after that point, is expected to become a Category 2 off the coast of the Bahamas at 110 miles an hour on Saturday, moving up the coast and then away, and most likely now out to sea as a Category 1 storm. That is some very good news, and I think Jose will do the same. Yesterday, it was looking like Jose may meander out here, and it is starting to move back to the west. It was looking like it might come into the coast. I don't think that's going to be the case. They're still seeing up around the Boston area, winds gusting close to 40 miles an hour out along the Cape and Nantucket, but most everybody there is starting to see things wind down just a bit. For our weather, gorgeous again tomorrow. 86 degrees, mostly sunny, a fantastic Friday. Now again, tomorrow is the first day of fall, begins just after the 4 o'clock hour, but it's not going to feel like fall. As a matter of fact, Samara Theodore taking a closer look at fall and how it's doing tomorrow. Samara, going to continue on this hot streak.
I'm loving it. I don't know about you. I know a few of us want fall to hurry up and come on, and it's coming, but it's going to feel a lot like summer tomorrow. Take a look at the norm for this time of year. We should be around 78 degrees during the fall equinox, but it looks like we're going to be closer to the mid-80s, so still feeling a lot like summer, and nothing says fall like football. Redskins taking on the Raiders. If you're planning on headed there, take a look at the forecast. Really some phenomenal weather for football. Temperatures in the mid-80s. Also, humidity's dropping a bit as we head through the weekend, so that's good news. This will be very comfortable for the football game. A good amount of sunshine, then we'll start to see things set. Maybe just a little cool as we head throughout the evening for that football game. Temperatures expected to drop into the 70s. Doug?
Yeah, the Redskins taking on, as you said, the Raiders. Now, something else. You guys, did you see my sunset time? 7:05. That means by this time next week, the sun will set before 7 o'clock. That's the only thing I hate about winter is that early sunrise and early sunset, and that's what's going to happen next week. 87 on Saturday, 89 on Sunday. So, again, a very warm weekend, even near 90. Now, this will be the warmest temperatures we've seen all month, and the first time we've seen 90 in over a month. 88 degrees on your Monday, 90 degrees on Tuesday. Now, still tracking Jose and Maria. Right now, I feel very confident that these are going to stay out to sea. Do we still have to watch it, though? Yes. It's still 5-6 days away. Anything could still happen. It could move a little bit farther back toward the East Coast. That's something we'll be watching. Could even move a little closer towards Bermuda. So we have to watch that nation as well. So we're going to be watching all of this for you. But one thing else I noticed on this map, much cooler weather next weekend. And I do mean much cooler. Many of you will see lows on Sunday morning in the upper 40s.
Oh.
250s.
I just want to wear my boots. You know,
I like you, those boots. Nice
thank
boots.
You. I'm missing my boots.
Because now she's wearing flip-flops, folks.
Yes.
Thank
yes,
you,
I
Hanley.
am. Thank you, Hanley. We're working for you. Getting help for a man who came home to a sewage spill in his apartment. He says his landlord won't give him another place to stay until it is cleaned up. Prince George's County Bureau Chief Tracy Wilkins fighting on his behalf and has